aba batandikaho no kwemuruka mu town ya Mbarara ahembegente ubu bari mu huriro yo kurebuka ngo imyeto tiyajumbira mu buvuyo ombwire bw'ubururu. Abebimbezi babeji b'amatendekero g'aiguru abaramu aine plan major Matov Hassan hamwe na mukama wenka Edwin bashobora kubargereyo ku Obusingye bitukutara kubihaho na mnonga ombwire bw'ubururu.
Twino murama ubwo mobilizing violence ningashi ukureta Obusingye kareho bakabakira kugira ngo abana bato nibatagetika universities n'abana bato imikimanya ngo umuyihanga Uganda ni emwe hamahanga mato umusiyona na ishine population y'abana bato kwine population yashanjura mushanju barukora iminyeto itwenke iminyeto tushazire mu kugira ngo twumo Obusingye tutakaba nito twashisha Obusingye
nangiriza kugira ngo okira mnonga kabazire mongere kogesa abana banyu babahara no kubatendekaje kugira ngo bareke ko shimbiro mbitukebi ibyo kwasa kurekera amagara gabo gahwerekera ko gesharingo umwene bakwesharikira nibabitabo.
Alfred Bangabachi or RPC yahigemyeto okwenjira kumanyihanga ya Uganda nebirunje birumuch baretere okwenda kurinda kano gumana Obusingye.
I want to go into deep understanding, especially of our country. The challenge we get is that we know much about other countries than our own. That is the challenge that we have. For you now who are moving, you have told me you have been Eastern, you have been Northern. As you move, you appreciate the beauty of this country. You look at the flora and fauna, you look at the environment, you look at the cultures.
Orukuru operations second division Kano John Bosco kwabo kandi wajukira second division commander yereka kwa bantu abashomere tibine kuyaho tikirizana barakora biro mukoreta akavuyo aho yashabe imyeto okugira ngo bagireho emiringa y'Obusingye eyo kutereza obutikirizana.
The person who has gone to school and especially the leader, we should not resolve issues through violence. We should denounce violence at all costs and try to entice everybody to have for peaceful resolution of any disagreement when it comes up. So as leaders, that is it, that we should not continue with the bringing in violence.
Omugambirizi wa UPDF awenkambi ya kabiri Meja Chichoncho Tabaro yasima bebembezi babeji okutambuze hureji arikugira ngo emyeto ino murimo muhango omuntu nguka yihanga.
So you marching in town, I think we should give them uniforms to go home. Wow. You need to get uniforms. Because what you are doing is what I wanted to tell you to do.
Captain Nathan Namanya yahigemyeto kwe Hestinsa kandi kurebuka ngo barinde Obusingye Kibayambe Kuhika Hare ombwire bw'omisho.
Life in a very respectable manner. The moment you respect yourselves, you will reach there. You will not end up just only holding the guild positions. No.
Ba guild president Saba barukwetera ndom chibina cha Inter-University Guild Leaders Network baban barga universities in Mbarara University of Science and Technology, Kampala International University, Kampala University, Ankwale Western University, Kabale, Makerere University, Bishop Stewart University na Gand Matendekero. Amakuraga gasha kwa Olivia Kamsime hamwe na Iana Kankwasa abwatali West Mbarara.
A peaceful elections too.